Deep in the heart of the nature island of the Caribbean, Dominica, a seed was planted. It was the year 1996, and little did two islanders, Yolanda and Jennifer, knew where their thoughts were going to. After constant guessing and rearranging of words, that could be an idle business name. The two finally came up with the name Beautilanda. The name Beautilanda speaks for itself and is by no means far from delivering high-quality beauty services using the natural elements that nature has to offer. As the name implies, it is a land where you will encounter beauty at its best. Beautilanda mimics the natural beauty of nature by using nature's resources and creating natural healing processes such as spas, massage therapies, facial, cosmetics, and much more. At Beautilanda, you experience a feeling of one with nature. It is a land, a place where you experience natural beauty at its best. Beautilanda.